Hi, my name is Luba and welcome to my channel. I've been posting a lot of meditation videos here, but to be honest with you, I feel like I've been hiding behind those videos a little bit. So today I decided to step out and introduce myself and tell you a little bit about who I am and what I'm here to do. So I created this space for anyone who feels overwhelmed, tired, or maybe have a lot of worries or disconnected, or maybe just want to bring more peace and joy in their life. Here we slow down, we breathe, we relax deeply, rest, we connect to our bodies, to our senses, to our inner guidance system, to our heart, so we can provide deeper healing for ourselves, to release stress, release tension, and to simply bring more vitality and peace and calm into our bodies and into our life. This space is also for those who feel deeply connected to nature, who loves to work with energies of the moon cycles, to the energy of the Mother Earth, to eclipses and solstices, to support their spiritual growth and deeper inner healing. I'm a holistic health coach and energy healing practitioner, herbalist and meditation teacher, but most of all, I'm someone who truly believes that healing is possible for all of us at any age, in any stage, because our bodies are intelligent and wise, and our hearts know the way, and sometimes we just need someone to walk with us. So if you're looking for calm and peace and clarity and a deeper connection with yourself, or you love to work with magic of nature, this place is definitely for you. I invite you to subscribe and join me on this journey of self-discovery and back to peace and vitality and a life that feels aligned with who we truly are. And if you ever feel called to go deeper, I offer holistic health coaching sessions, energy healing sessions in person and remote, meditation guidance, personalized herbal recommendations, and you can work with me in any way that feels right for you. You can use those tools or modalities that I offer individually or in personalized combination created specifically for your needs. So I'll leave all details in description below, everything what you need to know about the tools that I offer. And thank you for being here with me and listening to this video. If you have any questions, please reach out in comments below. And sending love from my heart to yours. Have a wonderful day or night. And until next time, bye.